Jose, how pleased are you with that win tonight?
I'm happy. The players, they did everything. They deserve to win, and obviously we are happy, especially because in the last weekend everything went against us, and obviously us. But we are professionals. But the fans obviously felt deeply such a negative result. And today was a good chance to clean a little bit that feeling, because it's always a derby and it's a knockout, and to win against Man City, I think gives everyone a better feeling, and I'm especially happy for the players and especially happy for the fans.
Yeah, you apologised to the fans in the programme beforehand. Did you pick a stronger team tonight than you intended to because of what happened at the weekend?
Yeah. We were in a good run of results, or at least not a bad run of results. I think in the last 7 we lost one, but was a big defeat. Numbers that the history of this club doesn't deserve, and obviously when I am in a club, my heart belongs to the fans, and I felt especially deeply for them. But the reality is that I never had people like these ones. We lost 4-0, and they were supported. Today the stadium was full, and not full of people, full of real support, and it looks like the love that people has for the club is bigger than bad results, is bigger than three bad seasons. So we must give something back, and today, independent of the result, we could lose, and I would have the same feelings for my players. My players, they gave absolutely everything, and in a very difficult run with matches every 2 days, big matches, Liverpool, Fenerbahce, Chelsea, City, and they gave absolutely everything. So I think they deserve. But even if today we lose, the feeling was fantastic, because the players, they show that they really care. They really care. They care with the fans, and they fought for them.